In this example, we're going to simplify proper fractions. 12 out of 18 people in a survey have cats. Write this as a fraction in its simplest form. So the word out of means we now write 12 out of 18. And there's our fraction straight away. So as soon as you write out of, you write the fraction sign. We now need to change it as a fraction in simplest form. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the prime factors of 12. So any way we like. 2 goes into 12, and 2 times 6 makes 12. 2 is prime, so we stop there. 6 can be 2 times 3. Both 2 and 3 are prime, so therefore 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3. Similarly, with 18, 18 is 2 times 9. 2 is prime, so we stop there. 9 is 3 times 3. Both of those are prime, so we stop there. And so 18 can be written as 2 times 3 times 3. Now, 2 times 2 times 3 can also be written as 2 times 3 times 2, because the order in which you multiply things together doesn't matter. And if we rewrite 2 times 3 times 3, what we can see is that the 2 over the 2 here, so there's a 2 and there's a 2. That then can be split up. 2 divided by 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 2 divided by 3. So when we have something written as a complete fraction, we can then separate it up into smaller parts. Now what we notice here is that 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now we can simplify those parts. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and times 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 2 divided by 3 isn't 1. So that's really all we're looking for. That means we've now got 1 times 1, which makes 1, times 2 over 3, and the answer is 2 over 3.